Welcome back on my YouTube channel Monday to Monday. I'm sorry for keeping you guys waiting so long. This episode we have to say goodbye to one of my boats. We're going to welcome a new boat and we're gonna do a super fun boat trip. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Let's go! Good morning. I'm in Medemblik. I'm next to Dumpy. A little bit of a sore throat, so I'm sorry about that. It's a sad day today because I saw Dumpy. So I never intended to keep Dumpy for a year. When I found Dumpy, she was sinking in the harbor where my trawler is, and I wanted to rescue this little boat. I never expected you guys to love this boat so much, but it are two boats. This boat needs a lot of work. My trawler needs a lot of work. So yeah, it's time for Dumpy to go. A little bit sad, but she's going to an owner who is going to restore her, enjoy her, take her to shows probably. So that's a good thing. And it's time to move on. So yeah, I'm going to get my belongings off now. The new owner will be here soon. He doesn't want to appear on YouTube. I'm going to get everything off now. And maybe I got a little surprise later in the episode today. You saw us motoring Dumpy to a waiting spot. They are going to pick her up in the upcoming few weeks. So she's laying over there. Not my boat anymore. There is a new boat. So there will be a surprise later in this episode. But now I have to go do some groceries and I see you later. So fun, this is where we get our bread. So they still use this windmill to grind the seeds for making the flour. And then they make the bread downstairs. It looks like this. So yeah. It's Wednesday evening to be precise. I'm on my way to Zaandam. In Zaandam is a little boat that I never saw. But I did buy it, so I bought it sight unseen. It doesn't have a prop. I don't know if the engine works. I don't know if the gearbox works. I don't know if anything works at all. But it was a cool boat. And the guy told me it was the boat was okay. It needs some love, and I need to work on it. And that's what you guys like, and that's what I want to do. And I was searching for a boat that I can use during the winter with a closed cabin with a heater in it, because I think the Dutch waterways during the winter time are really beautiful, and with this little boat it's possible to go underneath the bridges and explore the Dutch waterways during the winter. So yeah, I'm really curious what I bought. I really don't know. I saw the pictures on Marketplace and that's it. So let's find out. All right, I'm on site. There she is. I think it's a cool boat. So I literally never saw this boat in person. So I'm still taking it in. I don't know where the owner is because I'm not completely the owner yet, because I still have to pay him some money. But wow. Super cool boat. It's an old dirty nasty boat that was pretty rotten, but it has a lot of potential. Super cool boat. Wow. For the price I paid for this boat, I don't know if I'm going to tell you. Maybe I'm going to. Probably. If you want to know. Do you want to know what I'm spending on my boats? Yeah. A little bit of rust. Don't care. Wow. I think this boat is cooler than I initially thought, because by the looks of it, it's bigger than I thought, so that's good. And by the looks of it, it's a real old boat, a real old hull. So this is not so old, but what's in the water is really old. And that's cool. There's a Mercedes diesel engine in it. I don't know what I can say. I'm still taking it in. Okay, so I'm going to stop this recording and find the owner, because I still need to pay him some monies, and then come up with a plan to bring this girl home, because she doesn't have a propeller. So, yeah.
Omdat ik echt zo'n gezeik heb. Want ik heb van het eten het achter me gehad en ik blijf het. Kap die eraf. Zo, met je nieuwe boot.
So I'm back in my car. I'm almost home. What a cool boat, and what a cool dude that I bought it from. He brought it halfway home. So yeah, that's super cool. I paid his diesel cost for it, and that's the only thing he wanted, so that's super cool. So if you're watching, thank you. Yeah, so now I got a boat somewhere in Holland, in Zaandam, without a propeller, without knowing if the engine works or anything. He didn't know it as well, so yeah, just another day. No, I'm really happy with this boat. It's a real cool boat, and I don't care what is wrong with the engine, if there's something wrong with the engine, because it's an old Mercedes diesel, and they will always run. So that's not a problem. I think that I'm going to the boat tomorrow to figure out how I'm going to put an engine on it, because I'm going to put an outboard engine on it and motor it home somehow. I don't know. See you later. I'm back on our new boat. Jason is with me. And we're going to clean this boat up because it's dirty and it's temporarily, well, lying here for free. You can leave your boat here for 3 times 24 hours. It needs to stay here for a little bit longer, I think. So I'm going to clean it up now, call the harbor master, explain to him that we don't have a propeller underneath this boat and that it needs to be towed, and hoping that they say, okay, don't worry, make sure it's gone as soon as possible. But if it's like this, I'm pretty sure they're not going to say that. So we're going to remove everything that's broken and dirty, and then we're going home. So yeah, nice. All right, the first thing we're going to remove is this ugly frame. I don't know why it's still on, but it looks messy. So I'm going to remove that and then cleaning. Better. So now we're going to clean, and Jason is going to help. Hey Jace?
Yes.
Yes. We have been cleaning for about 45 minutes. Did this side of the bow, did this rusted roof, did this side of the roof over here. I have to hold my camera like this. And we still need to do this, and we did this, and you can see a big difference. So, going to do this, and then we're going to the back of the boat and maybe turn it around to make it look nice from both sides. We did this whole side over here, and we did it over here, this part of the roof and the complete roof. So Jason did the back over here. That looks nice and tidy as well. So yeah, let's go. Turn this boat around. Jason is doing the back of the boat, so that is going super good. So, Jason and I are done for today. Do you like the boat?
Yes, I like the boat.
Jason likes the boat. So Jason is learning English as well. And I think it's really good that he understands what I'm saying. So that's cool. All right, well, it's late. Jason needs to go to bed like 2 hours ago.
No.
Yes. So we're going home. Jason's going to bed.
No.
And
To the house.
you're going to bed.
No.
Yes. For punishment, you're going to bed with bare feet. Met blote voeten in bed. All right. See you later. And just like that, it's a few days later. I'm on the Alkmaardermeer. Look at this. So we are with the Ruby and we are with my whole family. So all the kids, a friend of my wife is with us with her son, and we're back on the island. So yeah, kids are playing. It's really late already. So I'm going to pick them up now. Then we're going to drink some cold snacks. And then we're going to bed because tomorrow we're going to continue our journey to Krommenie. And that's where the new boat is. I don't have a name yet. Maybe you can come up with a name for the new boat. Yeah, so super happy.
Lekker springen, lekker springen. Lekker springen.
It's the next morning. We had a tough night. We need to do something about the beds on this boat because... Oof. Right, so we're running late already. Kids are swimming, having fun, so we don't want to break up their fun. So yeah, we're going to take it easy. That means we're not going to make it. So I think I'm going to call my buddy Mark to end the journey with me, because the girls need to go home with the kids. I need to finish this journey with Mark. I think he is in for it, so let's see how the day goes. No hurry yet. We got the new boat. I'm sweating like crazy because it's 33 degrees Celsius. Bloody hot, but here she is. Along the Ruby. I didn't film it because we are with all the kids, so filming is really difficult. Alright, so now we're going to drink something. There's a nice bar over there. And then we're going to make the journey back home. Fun, but hot, bloody hot. We have been motoring this boat for the whole day now. We dropped off Jessica and the kids about 1.5 hours ago because the kids needed to go to bed. I don't think we're going to make it to our end destination, but my buddy Mark is here, so we're with the two of us. Happy days. It's evening, it's late. We moored our boat underneath a bridge. The reason for that is because the bridge around the corner is closed. We are not allowed to pass underneath this bridge. So we're stuck. We're almost home. It's 2 hours motoring that way. But because of that, tomorrow we will be back here and motor the boat this way. Only this way is another day of motoring this boat. So Mark and I got a real good explanation to Jessica and his wife that we're not home tomorrow for another day, but on this boat. Yeah. It's the next day. We're back on the boat. I had a real good night in my own bed, always the best place to sleep. So we're going to continue the journey. There is a lot of wind, so I can't say I'm nervous about it, but it's a little bit more challenging. But it will be fine. I got Mark with me, so things will be fine. Let's go. We have the Ruby back on her mooring. The new little boat that doesn't have a name yet is next to the Ruby. So if you can come up with a name, let me know in the comments. And see you later. It's the next day. I am on the trawler. The new little boat is over there, so near the trawler. I'm here to pick up some stuff, a welder and some tools, and I'm going to use them on the little boat. I don't think it will be next episode, but a few weeks later. I'm working on an episode where I took some footage during my vacation, and that's gonna be one video. I don't know how long it will be because I didn't edit it yet, so we will find out later. I'm going to leave it with this. Thanks for watching. Thanks for waiting so long. If you liked the episode, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next episode.